Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Probably not the proudest day of my life, but I'm trying, Inshallah. It's 2 p.m. 2 p.m. bro, 2 p.m. My latest time when I filmed it, my latest was I think 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. But it was on Sunday. Today is Monday. So, and in addition to this, I have like my Arabic classes today. That's why I'm on the street. My Arabic classes are gonna begin, I think, at 3, if I'm not mistaken. It's been 1 week since I didn't go to classes because I was ill. Yeah, and now I'm finally going. It's 2 p.m. About 1 hour on the way, and at 3 I should be there. Okay, let's cut the BS, which is not important for you probably. Alright, I woke up at 5. This is probably should be interesting for you, because if you didn't wake up at 5, I did, and I was ahead of you for probably 1 or 2 hours today if you wake up at 6 or 7. But I think not funny thing about all that stuff is that I wake up at 5, but I fall asleep back again. There's like, I don't know, maybe because I'm hurrying or maybe because I'm hungry. A little bit hungry. I ate my lunch, but still kind of like a little bit hungry. You know, I used to be like shy about all these people looking at me, and now I'm just like don't give a damn about these people looking at me and just like, you know, bizarre looks. I don't know why, I'm just like confident. Maybe because I'm hungry, maybe. Okay, whatever. Alright, I wake up at 5. I pray tahajjud, alhamdulillah. Alright, then after praying tahajjud, then I ate my breakfast, because I wake up at 5, you know, 5, Fajr in my country is at 6:30, and you wake up at 5, you have like 1 hour and 30 minutes before Fajr. That's why I just, you know, I ate my breakfast, and in addition to this, I read Quran. I read Quran, all 5 pages as I was planning. 5 out of 5 pages of Quran, the translation of it. But I don't know why I just fall asleep in the kitchen where I ate my breakfast, because I was so sleepy. I wake up at 5, you know, first time after like 1 week. It's been 1 week since I wasn't waking up at 5 a.m. Yeah, I slept like about 2 or 3 hours after that. The whole point of waking up at 5 a.m. basically was to manage, you know, to do a lot of work. You know, you wake up earlier than other people and just you manage to do a lot more than other people by logic. But I wasn't expecting to fall asleep. I just thought that, you know, I'm kind of feeling sleepy, let me just put my head down to the couch, and I fall asleep in the couch. It was like 8, I think. Yeah, 3 hours after I wake up. I think it was about 8. Then I woke up at 10:40 or 10:50 something. Okay, peace. Okay, I talk enough about all that, you know, unnecessary stuff. Well, the reason I fall asleep is because probably Oops. You know what? I have discovered that if you are a little bit hungry, you know, I ate my lunch. but I'm a little bit hungry, a little bit, and that's really helps when you know, if you wanna ignore the girls, like, yeah. Shit. Alright, I don't really recommend you to vlog on the street when you are on the highway, like when car can, you know, how to say that, crash into you, because it basically, you know, at the split second before I got, you know, how to say that, fuck, I forgot that word, crushed, whatever. I mean, I was on the highway, and you know, like, there's a lot of cars in there, and just like, I was talking to my camera, and one car just, you know, moved back. I just got, you know, a little bit hit. So, yeah, whatever. Okay, that's 30 minutes before I came early, 30 minutes before my class begins, and that's why I'm gonna, you know, tell a little bit what have happened, you know, yesterday. Look, yesterday was a very good day, alhamdulillah, because I DM'd 52 out of 50 people I was planning to DM. So I DM'd even more than, you know, I was planning to actually do. I overdid, or you know, I just, you know, cool, alhamdulillah, whatever. I got one person, not yesterday, I mean, from the people who I DM'd yesterday, I didn't get replies yet. But as I have said to you, the cool thing about texting method of outreach is that, you know, people can see your message even after like freaking 1 or 2, 3, how many days after you name the number, right? How many, you know, days after you actually texted them. And there was one guy which is like, you know, curious about my website, you know, my service basically, and he would like to have a Zoom meeting with me. The only problem is that he lives in a totally different time zone. So I'm like, you know, when it's 9 a.m. in his country, it's 9 p.m. in my country. That's why it's gonna be a little bit hard, you know, to find the right time for both me and him. But you know what, we are doing really great progress, alhamdulillah. It's already like, you know, this meeting didn't you know, happened yet, but yeah, it might happen. Peace.